Welcome to our interior design video tutorial, where we'll be transforming this small L-shaped kitchen into a stylish and functional space. Today, we'll be using a variety of components, including base cabinets, wall cabinets, countertops, sinks, faucets, range or cooktops, ovens, range hoods, refrigerators, microwaves, dishwasher, pantry cabinets, drawer organizers, backsplash, lighting fixtures, island or peninsula, upper cabinets with glass doors, pull-out trash and recycling bins, corner cabinets, and floating shelves. Let's get started. Creating a solid foundation with base cabinets. Begin by installing sturdy base cabinets along the L-shaped walls. Ensure they are level and secure. Adding storage with wall cabinets. Mount wall cabinets above the countertops, providing additional storage space for your kitchen essentials. Installing the countertops. Choose durable and visually appealing countertops that complement your kitchen design. Ensure they are properly measured, cut, and secured in place. Setting up the sink and faucet. Install the sink into the designated area on the countertop. Connect the plumbing and attach a stylish faucet that suits your personal taste. Incorporating cooking appliances. Install a range or cooktop along with an oven, ensuring proper ventilation with a range hood above. These appliances will be the heart of your kitchen. Integrating essential appliances. Position the refrigerator in a convenient location, allowing easy access to food items. Install a microwave for quick heating and a dishwasher for effortless cleaning. Enhancing storage and organization. Integrate a pantry cabinet for storing dry goods, spices, and other kitchen supplies. Install drawer organizers to keep utensils and cutlery neatly arranged. Adding a stylish backsplash. Choose a backsplash material that complements your kitchen's color scheme and protects the walls. Install it above the countertops for an eye-catching feature. Illuminating the kitchen. Install well-placed lighting fixtures, such as recessed lights or pendant lights, to provide ample illumination for your workspace. Creating additional functionality. If space permits, consider adding an island or peninsula to expand your workspace and provide extra seating. Showcasing with glass cabinets and floating shelves. Install upper cabinets with glass doors to display your beautiful dishware. Add floating shelves for a decorative touch and easy access to frequently used items. Optimizing storage with pull-out bins and corner cabinets. Install pull-out trash and recycling bins for easy waste disposal. Utilize corner cabinets with specialized mechanisms like Lazy Susans or pull-out shelves to maximize storage space. Final touches. Once all components are in place, take a moment to review the overall design. Make any necessary adjustments and ensure everything is functional and aesthetically pleasing. Congratulations! You have successfully transformed your small L-shaped kitchen using the components we discussed. Enjoy your new stylish and functional space. Thank you for watching our interior design tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement ideas and tips. Until next time, happy decorating!